All right, guys, let's go this way. I saw, yeah, this charger over here. SRT supercharger. Sorry, guys, somebody asked me that once before. Why I never show videos on these? Well, fact of the matter is they hardly ever come to the shop. Okay, just say this one. I don't know why this one's in. Probably something minor. Not sure these are your everyday car. Okay, that people go out, run to the gas station, run to Quick Trip. Okay, this car could very well be partially live on the racetrack of some sort. Okay, yeah, but it's a beauty, guys. Y'all see that? That's supercharged on there. Now the last time I was out at All Park Garage, they had a couple torn apart. Not sure what they was doing. I could rarely get out of that guy what they doing. For one reason, guys, some of the customers or the owners that own the vehicles do not want everybody to know what's under their hood. So I can respect that. You know, I can't just go over there and film everything the guys are doing because some of this stuff is top secret, guys. All right, they don't want everybody to know what they're working with. If everybody knew what the competitor was doing, then there wouldn't be any competition. Yeah, see? And also, I was explained why at the racetrack they have the ice bags on top of the supercharger, on top of here, to cool it off. And he explained to me, I can't remember it by heart exactly what was going on, but yeah, I'm not sure what's wrong with this, but it's in the shop. So the fellas that was wondering, do these ever come in? Yeah, from time to time we do oil change on them. They gotta make sure they have the right oil, because I think these 0W40, let me see, yes, you see that oil cap? It's one of the things you should go by, but I'm not sure. I mean, that can easily be manipulated. You can put the wrong cap on there. So it's always best bet to know what kind of engine or what kind of oil your engine take when you buy the car. I'm sure this was bought new, or you should easily try to find out. Okay, because that's interchangeable. Then yeah, it's gonna be questionable as far as should you believe it or not. So I don't know, but that's that, guys. Let's go this way. Looks like somebody got a pinner star torn down. Oh boy. I don't want to give this engine any more press. Alright, so y'all know what? I won't. I'm just going to slowly walk right past this. Looks like a ticker job, so I'm not going to talk about it because you guys seem to think the engine is trash when it's not. I'm going this way. I'm going back to the used car department, guys. Back here, hell, man, what a crappy rotor job. You pretty good. You pretty good at turning rotors, I thought. Y'all know I got to come back here and mess with the fellas every now and then. What is this? From the look of that horse, this must be a Ford. God, look at that. The way he got these looking. See, that guy, he's one of the pros. I think he had, look, and it really needed. Look at the, good Lord. Sure he mic'd those first to find out if they would even accept a cut. All right, so this one's obviously going on a lot. So guys, we're a Chrysler Jeep Dodge dealer, but we will, from time to time, we tend to have other makes and model on the lot, which is cool, you know. They have this up in the air, so I don't know what size engine is on of it, anything like that. So when they let it down, I'll do some more inspection, guys. All right, but for now, let's go this way. Y'all still using the battery test? I was just gonna say that sweat, blood, and tears.
Y'all got a young manager now.
I ain't lying.
Yeah, old man.
Motherfuckers leaving their toolbox open just so they can appear that they still, you know. Jimmy Ball had that shit bad. Oh yeah, that's the real dude. He not even with the company anymore. Yeah, right. Yeah, he got his money. And he did what he was supposed to do. Alright guys, I done came back here to the used car department. Hey, anybody recognize that emblem? I know I don't, so what I would do is go toward the rear and try to find out. Look like he just resurfaced the rotor. You know what that means, guys? They have plans to sell this in the used car department. Okay, Enclave. Pontiac makes that, right? Ooh, AWD, y'all know what that means? This, my friend, is an all-wheel drive. And everybody know how I feel about all-wheel drive here in Atlanta, Georgia area. Now, in order to have an all-wheel drive, in order to transfer power from the front and the rear, one must have a piece of hardware called PTU. Let's see how Pontiac does theirs. Okay, this is obviously the PTU. Front wheel drive, rear wheel drive to transfer torque to the rear wheels. That is the drive shaft. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the PTU. Okay, yes, power will be transferred to the front. Just curious. Okay, theirs is like center. Yes, I guess they all that way. Alright, bolted to the transmission, which looked like a transaxle, meaning the drive shaft, meaning the drivetrain or the axle assembly built into the transmission. So they tend to call them a transaxle, but quite similar to the way Jeep does it. Alright, I guess that's pretty much only a couple of ways you can do it. Ooh, this look like this strip, boy, that can give you trouble. So Pontiac Enclave, pretty unique. Alright, yes, there will be a differential back here if this is a PTU with if this is all-wheel drive. Yeah, fairly similar to the Jeep. Actually, I think they biting Jeep style. Okay, stop it, Pontiac. Stop it. Do not copy the world-class Jeep organization. Look at that. This dude here be, I don't know if he changed bits every time he do rotors, but they look so smooth, as in fresh, hot off the press. Alright, so yeah, he resurfaced that rotor, guys. Yes, Pontiac Enclave. It's in the air, so I don't know what size the engine is. Look like he's changing the oil. Yeah. Alright guys, nothing fancy about it. I was just curious about the PTU. So let's go back this the way.